Here's how to become a masking pro in Picjam in 1 minute. So, what's a mask? Your mask tells Picjam's AI what you want to keep in the image. Our AI will make a first guess based on what it sees and cut out things like mannequins or clothes tags. But sometimes it can get things wrong, and it might need a bit of extra cleanup. That's where the cleanup brush comes in. Using Erase, you can remove extra parts that you don't want in your final product photo. Just use your cursor and brush away. Also remember to take out the backing of the product collar if it's still showing. Or the back straps if you've got a product like this. On the other hand, if you see parts of your product that haven't been included in the mask, you can use the Restore tool to ensure everything you need is included. Finally, don't worry if the edges aren't exactly perfect. Picjam's AI should smooth that over. Once you're done, just hit Save Product Mask. Congrats, you're now a masking pro. Have fun! For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube or head to our tutorials inside Picjam.